So moving on, Ike's opinion was sought about Joe and why he seemingly doesn't take any liking to him. Ike, in his usual tell-it-all, explained that he didn't like Joe because he felt he acted like he was better than everyone. In his words, he said, he felt he was too smart, so I felt irritated by him. He crossed the boundary with me many times, and if not that I already had 2 strikes, I would have battled it out with him in the house. Joe was asked to respond, and he minds no words in having the blames on Mercy. Joe stated that he and Mercy were pretty close in the house. They had their special moments, so after that, Mercy would go back to Ike and allege that he was crushing on her or looking at her in a kind of way. These allegations ended up getting Ike all railed up for nothing, and walls began to be built between them. Shea's issue with Tasha became the next point of focus. Ebuka felt both of them should clear the air on the issue they had in the house, which was snowballed into a huge fight and fan-base war. Tasha was the first to tender explanation, saying she indeed stepped out of line in the friendship zone they both were. She stressed how she repeatedly tried to make sure she got the 3rd strike, and that she used derogatory words on her and even referred to her as a female dog. She expressed how deeply hurt she was by all he said to her as a young woman who has been through a lot and still making something out of her life. When it was Shea's turn to speak, he claimed he did not retaliate half of the derogatory words Tasha used on him while they were quarreling. She said Tasha in front of the whole world called him a failure and dragged his entire generation who has done so much for the country, being an Awolowo descendant. Sadi, being Tasha's bestie, was asked to comment on Tasha Shea's songship. Sadi said he sees both of them as 2 people who genuinely care about each other, but their ego has gotten in the way, and that has blinded them into admitting their mistake. After Sadi explained his stance about their situation, Shey came up and confessed he honestly felt something for Tasha when they were locked together in the secret room after Tasha shared her emotional pains with him and all she has been through to get to the point she is today. He claimed he saw Tasha as a young lady that needed emotional support and was willing to give it to her. He however claimed everything changed when they came out to the main house and Tasha switched back to her old ways. After the argument dragged for a while, Tasha insisted she tender a genuine apology for calling her a female dog on national TV. She, also being dragged by the rest of the housemates on the show, finally admitted his wrong and tendered an unreserved apology to Tasha. Okay guys, stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for more gist on the BB Naija Pepperdem reunion show. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.